Hi everyone, Meher Aunty here. This video is part of a series on honor torture and how patriarchy has upgraded. The other videos are linked below and you may want to watch them to understand the rest of this video. Now we go to the source code, the uncle curriculum that trains boys into emotionally illiterate men. No boy is born emotionally illiterate. They are trained carefully, repeatedly. From the moment they are told, boys don't cry, the curriculum begins. It starts early. Don't feel. Don't apologize. Don't lose to a woman. If you hurt her, call it banter. If you control her, call it care. If you get caught, call it misunderstanding. By the time they hit adulthood, debate has replaced empathy. Winning matters more than understanding. Every conversation is an ego gym. They say, I'm just playing devil's advocate, which really means I have no conviction, only testosterone and Wi-Fi. Families call it confidence, teachers call it leadership, the rest of us call it emotional constipation with legacy funding. This is the uncle curriculum. The secret syllabus of patriarchy that produces men who think maturity is silence and kindness is weakness. Every uncle passes down the same lesson at family dinners. Never apologize, never lose face, reputation over integrity, image over honesty, control over communication. It is why every woman has a story about that uncle. The one everyone knows about but no one confronts. The one who stares too long, jokes too far, or sometimes crosses the line entirely by touching you inappropriately without consent. We've all had that uncle in our lives. And somehow he still gets biryani packed for him on the way out. The girls he hurt are told to move on. That is the system's grading policy. The abuser gets promoted. The survivor gets homework in silence. Power protects power. The boys watching learn early, harm quietly, and you will still get invited to dinner. It is the first lesson in impunity served with dessert. In elite circles, this syllabus is dressed up. The men quote philosophy, talk about therapy, post about feminism on Women's Day, and still interrupt women every 10 seconds. They say, I respect strong women, but what they mean is, as long as they agree with me. The uncle curriculum does not just raise men, it raises institutions, schools that protect harassers, workplaces that promote them, friend groups that defend them. It is a silent handover of power from uncle to son, from cousin to colleague. Critical thinking is how you break that chain. Ask what lesson is being taught when silence is rewarded and accountability gets punished. Ask who benefits when the joke never lands both ways. Because no revolution will survive if it still serves biryanis to uncles who hurt people. Unlearning the uncle curriculum is not optional, it is survival. It is how you stop mistaking fear for respect and arrogance for intelligence. And if you ever doubt that the curriculum exists, listen to the next time a man says, not all men. He just failed the test.